Karen Ray here with the Ascend team. I really want to talk to you today about the power of a paycheck. So you did start a business for a reason, and you probably have a lot of different reasons actually. There's not just one, but there is commonly among all of us the reason to bring money home to our family. So to actually have profit and take a paycheck. So how do you do that? So obviously if you've been watching our other videos about the 60-40 split and how to manage sales income, and we have videos on how to manage commission income and all of that, but regardless, you're doing business and you're collecting all of that money and you're managing it well, and you're seeing that there's some money in my profit envelope, or I have some money set aside that I've actually brought into my business that is after all the expenses and all the needs of my business, so I can actually take some money home to my family. Well, we recommend that you actually should do that every single month, even if it's only a $50 paycheck, or if it's a $500 paycheck, or even more, hopefully down the road, right? But that you get in the habit and build that habit now and do that on a monthly basis. It's critical not only for yourself, but it's critical for your spouse, your partner, and your family, because this is a business, and you are going to be spending time running this business. It doesn't just happen by itself. It takes away from your time morning, noon, and night. We all know that. That's what business is, especially a woman who's doing it as a kind of an entrepreneurial business. You're doing your own business. You are your own company. You are your owner. You need to pay yourself. The technical term is owner draw, which basically means you're taking a draw from your company. From the income that you brought in, you're actually taking it and putting it into your family, taking a paycheck. So how do you physically do that? Well, if you watch the company money rule, you know that you have to have a separate business checking account. So all that money you've been collecting is actually sitting aside over there. Well, how do you get it into your personal checking account to use it for your family or to take your spouse out to dinner? How do you do that? Well, you physically write yourself a check. So you go to that business checking account, that checkbook, and you physically write yourself a check for that amount, and then you physically go to the bank where your family's checking account is part of, and you deposit that paycheck into your family checking account. Then from there, your family can choose to use it for whatever need it is, whether that's paying the mortgage or, like I said, taking someone out to dinner or giving your kids allowance. Whatever it's for, that's your paycheck. That's your money. If you don't do that on a monthly basis, let's say you go a year, 2, 5, 10 down the road and you don't take a paycheck, what do you think that makes you feel about your business? What do you think that makes your spouse feel, or people around you that are watching you with this Mary Kay business? If you're not bringing money home, something's wrong. There's not profit, and there's really not reinforcement to keep doing all the things that you love. So truly, it is a habit, just like doing the 60-40 split, just like introducing yourself to people randomly on the street. It's a habit that you have to build so you can actually feel successful, profitable, and like you're in business for a reason and a purpose that's greater than yourself. So there is power in a paycheck.